Okay, we need to understand how really the billing works. So why the billing is so much critical and why we really need a separate billing center software. Okay, so first of all, billing center software is again out of box software from Guidewire, which is something is having all the inbuilt functionalities which can be customized according to the customer needs, according to the insurance company, right? So Guidewire just give a product. I'm not sure how much technical you are, but like basically you can install that billing center software in your company in case you are a new insurance company and you want to go forward for property and casualty kind of life insurance customers, right? You're targeting for those customers, so you can install the billing center software. But in case you want to target different line of business, you have some kind of different functionality in requirement, then you can really customize that billing center. And where at that stage the business analyst will come into the picture, who will understand really what are the requirements, and based on that they will try to even work with the work with the technical team very closely to just get it implemented. Okay, so billing center, let's go through the different life cycle. How does the billing center works? So there are
Uh,
different yeah, go
so
ahead.
just to give you a little bit more detail about what exactly I do. I was in India for some time, long time. I moved to Canada a couple of years, around 2020. Okay. Since I was in insurance, that too precisely in life, so I was working on life insurance for last 2 years. So
Mhm.
now in here, the life insurance market is a different kind of market. So I would like to explore the other side of it, which is
Yeah.
PNC. So
Mhm.
in PNC in North America, there are a lot of places they work and towards the guidewire part. And
Yeah.
apart from this, there are other players also there. But my understanding towards and my connects here are basically to work in the cloud. So I would like to go dig deep into policy center and billing center. These are the places where I have already worked in insurance in India, in life precisely. You
Mhm.
understand what I'm saying? So that is it's kind of a sales operations roles which I have been doing in India. So that is the reason I'm trying to get into the same kind of role in PNC. So I'm not opening any new company here. I'm going to work only. So and I am not so technically qualified, or I would like to put it that way. But the logic where you use the test cases or whichever the customization has been done when I was working in India for a region. So I used to ask my technical team to implement whichever the requirements that comes in. So I was in the career side asking my IT team to do that part. So now I want to come to the reverse side. So there are career companies here who are trying to do this, and there are IT companies which are supporting to do that. So I would like to fix myself somewhere in that and plug in and start.
So
That's my
you are
idea.
trying to